Okay! Hey guys, it's Shayla and welcome back to another video. So today I'm back with the middle school merch, even though I'm a sophomore in high school, but still gotta represent. So anyway, I'm doing something that I've been wanting to do forever, probably like years, like 2 years. I am trying out a polygel kit for my nails. So these are my nails right now. I actually grew them out pretty long and I'm actually really sad that I have to cut them for this, but I'm really excited to try polygel. If it's a fail, then I'm gonna have stumps for nails. If it's not a fail, I'm gonna have some really cute nails. I don't know why I'm doing this right now because I have to go to camp next week, but I'm still gonna have cute nails right there. I have a mini kit. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but it did come with everything that I ordered. It was $22, which is actually pretty good because some of them were like 50, 40, And I'm going to do the color of, I think it's called soft pink. So let's get on to the video. Okay, I changed the little setup here. And my hands look weirdly humongous from this angle, but I promise my hands are not this big in real life. But like I said, these are my nails. This is nail length. This probably seems short to other people, but this is actually really long because my nails normally break all the time. Okay, so this nail kit, I really need an LED light, but all like the actual normal ones were really expensive, so I just got this mini one. I don't know how to open it without breaking anything. And the mini kit is from Model 1. I know they're really good. They have some bigger things. That was just the stick that the brush came in. Like I said, I opened this yesterday to make sure everything was in there. I got some glitters, but I'm not a nail artist at any type of level, so I'm not going to use the glitter. It's just a manual for LED lights. Then here are the first things of nail forms. These are the curved ones. And since I'm not trying to go really long for the nails, I'm not going to use the curved ones. I'm going to use the straight ones. And here are the straight ones that I was talking about. You can't really see. See how they aren't curved as much as the other ones. Okay, so I'm supposed to file and shape the nails with this amazing nail file that they gave me. Okay, I'm just using nail polish remover just to clean the nail. So now I know I remember from the directions. I have to put on the base coat and cure my nails for 30 seconds for my mini light that I have to get open. Hold up. I guess I'll do it this way because I have to hook it up. Okay, let's see how long this can stretch. Okay, cool. Okay, let's start painting. Oh my gosh. It's a very nice brush. Okay, this smells like a nail salon. So the lamp literally does not work. I don't know. That's okay. It's literally okay. I plugged it into like 2 different things and it doesn't work either way. So I would like to apologize to Model 1s because It was not really their fault that the lamp was not working. I got it to work. I cured this hand. It was because like they have the slot where the adapter is supposed to go in. It's like very narrow, so it was hard to push it in all the way. So that's why it wasn't working. I'm sorry, Model Ones. You have a very great product. Thank you so much for sending me this light, because I did not have one. Anyway, I like measured it yesterday, but now I have to get new ones. Okay, I'm gonna start. I picked 3, and I'm gonna do like a rounded edge, and it's not going to be too close or too far to the nail. If it gets too long, then I'll just cut it, of course. I feel like I got too much. I don't know. Okay. I feel like this is maybe decent. Oh no, it's like, so I did put too much in it. Just gonna hold it. I can feel it. It's like hot. Oh my gosh. Did you think it was gonna be cold? Man, this entire video, I didn't think. So of course I spilled the slip solution and now my desk is getting messed up. But I finished my first hand. It does not look terrible. It's not look terrible. I just need to clean it up and file it down. First I was like trying to reach the line I was going to, but then I'm like, you know what, just fill it and see what happens. Hey guys, I finally finished like the actual putting on polygel. I just need to clean them up. It is literally 8 something. Hold on, can I check? No, I can't check because I had to unplug my clock to plug in this light, whatever. It is literally 3 hours, 3 or more hours than what I started. 3 hours doing 10 nails. People don't play. When they do this as a job, they're there for hours. They don't play. This literally looks so long. I am taking these to camp. If they fall off, I'm gonna go home and do it again because these are staying on forever. Okay, ignore all the shavings. That's from the nail. But look how thick that nail is. Bro, I messed up big time. I said these nails were a lot better than the other ones. I lied. This, where the scratches, this thing won't focus, but this, it's like overrun and I don't know what to do with it because I can't file it down because it's attached to my actual skin. So, and then the rest are fine. But then bring them side. That's how thick they are. You can see it from here. This one is like the only decent one. Oh my gosh, this one. Okay. Bro. It literally, like everyone, it's so much. It's just caked on. These, they look normal. These, caked. I don't even know what happened. But yeah, it's overrun. I don't know what to do with them. So I'm definitely gonna paint them over because it ain't working. 5 hours later, I am done. I detest this hand. This hand is actually really, really nice. I love this hand. These are my nails. I painted them because I wasn't getting this other color that was under. They actually don't look that bad, but close up, they look terrible. Okay, that's it. This whole thing, ooh, that took a very long time. Polygel is so hard. But you know, I'm gonna do it again. I feel like I did pretty well for my first time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next video. Ooh. But now I have to clean all this up.